thunderstorm warning for Cherokee County in northeastern Alabama until 6:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 8 miles southeast of Liberty near 14 to 7 miles northwest of Cherokee, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
This Emerson?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to
I don't get
vehicles
why it
is
isn't
expected.
decoding.
Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations and
Seems that doesn't either.
Cedar Bluff, Little River Canyon National Preserve, Center Municipal Airport, Leesburg, Sand Rock, Galesville, Tanoa, Cherokee Rock Village, Cornwall Furnace Park, Blanche, Eastern Wyson Lake, Little River Falls, Slackman, Western Wyson Lake, Moshe, White Dam, Yellow Creek Falls, Fullerton, and New Moon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Cherokee, Alabama,